Good afternoon, Judge Mark Wasbury for plaintiff.
And I have counsel. I don't know where he is. Alex Henry is supposed to be here with legal aid. I've been emailing him since last week.
You say Mr. Henry representing you?
Mm-hmm.
Did he say that?
Yep. He sent me an email and asked me, did I still need his services? And I told him, yeah, I called him this morning and I emailed him this morning and I didn't get no response. Because of legal aid, they don't have walk-ins anymore. You have to call. And he said he was going to help us get the other documents that she need. They sent her birth certificate application back. Social Security closed the week we were going to go, open back up this week. And I had no money to catch the bus. So he emailed me on the 28th, said he was going to help us. And I have this I gave to her.
Hold on.
Regardless of the documents, it's true, they do owe us some documents. I think the last time, a couple of weeks ago, you ordered Ms. Hines to pay escrow. That was a problem. And my assistant called the court 2 days ago. It was not paid. She's paid nothing since November. Now, of course,
I didn't get my check. They FIA said I had to turn a statement in, so Social Security put a hold on it until they recalculate, they said, because FIA paid, Department of Human Services pays my Medicare premium. And so she said she needed 2 statements from Chime. And I emailed her that, and I've been calling them every day.
When are you supposed to get your check?
As soon as FIA releases it, they do their part. And Social Security, I called them yesterday, and they said as soon as they get the paperwork from FIA saying that they're going to pay their part.
November.
Yep.
That's a
You contact legal.
I should have paid it.
And Mr. Henry.
I should have paid it, but they refuse to fix anything in my apartment.
Pardon?
They don't want to fix nothing in my apartment.
Okay. Ms. Hines, I can.
And I can't reach out to agencies because I don't.
Hines. Ms. Hines, I may be able to get to all of those issues, but you've got to put the money in escrow.
I will.
When is it going in? Because you told me before you were going to pay it in.
The 27th. I'll put it in there.
Well, you were supposed to pay the $280 on that day.
Yeah, yes.
But what about
I was going to try to give the $1,500 on my check because I get $11.64.
Pardon?
I get $11.64 a month. And then when my daughter-in-law, my nephew's girlfriend, give me $280.
The courtroom takes a serious turn when the judge realizes that Ms. Hines has fallen far behind on her rent and still has not provided the required documents. She explains that delays involving Social Security, FIA, and legal aid have prevented her from receiving the money she expected. The judge listens carefully but makes it clear that these explanations do not remove her responsibility to follow the court's previous order and place the required funds into escrow.
Who have you tried to contact?
The SER with FIA, and they sent me a letter back denying me because they had I didn't have no documentation to send in showing that I had to go to court for it.
You had to send them your complaint.
It's not on there.
What's not on there?
My rent?
Termination, Judge.
He's bringing me, taking me to court for something else, not rent.
Right, it's for termination, but should be able to get something from your landlord. This is what I owe.
Okay. Yeah.
But
they want it.
Okay.
Something for
you got a document. You can submit that to.
Okay.
Yes.
I will do that.
Okay, but still, is it just you in your apartment?
Me and my nephew. He's on my lease, and then.
All right. So that'd be only about $520 of this.
Right. I've just been stressed out.
Okay, everybody's stressed.
Yes.
So when are you going to get them to document? My understanding is there were some documents from Social Security, some other things that they.
Yes.
When are you going to get them the documents?
We'll have them by the 27th, the attorney. He's working on it now.
Who's working on it?
Alex Henry with legal aid.
Oh.
Uh,
And you've not heard from Mr. Henry?
no, and I don't know why a lawyer is needed for financial documents.
Well, I don't know that I can question that. I just need to know, did legal aid give you advice or are they going to represent you?
He said he was going to represent me.
All right, let me pass this briefly. I'm going to have my staff check because that puts me in a different posture if she's represented. Yes, I'll call you right back up, Miss Law.
All right. Say next week. She said she'd find somewhere to go.
That's very weak.
Because she don't get her check till the 27th.
It doesn't, I would ask for a judgment. I mean, it doesn't sound like there's any progress here. She's admitted the unauthorized act.
Things become even more urgent when the judge warns Miss Hines that a judgment is being issued and that eviction could move forward after the deadline. However, the judge gives her one final opportunity to submit all required documents to the landlord and bring the rent balance down to zero before the hearing date. The message is clear: unless she takes immediate action and satisfies the court's conditions, the eviction process will continue.
Writ date. I'm going to do it this way, Mr. Frey. I'm going to make the writ date, send it to May 29th, 2026. I'll set a hearing on the writ that date. So we're just going to do this all in one fell swoop and be done. That will be at 12 noon. Ms. Hines, I can't make it any clearer. I'm issuing a judgment. You'll be evicted after the 29th.
If I get the
Supply all the documents to the landlord.
okay,
They need to be supplied to them. I'm giving one more shot. That'd be the hearing date on the 29th.
okay.
And your rent needs to be caught up and your balance at zero. Otherwise, I'm letting the writ go forward.
Okay, thank you.